Well, here runs the Eurobandit here once again. Today it's a beautiful sunny day and now I'm gonna head to the classic car meeting in Huddinge, where I went several times last year, and this time I'm gonna take this 1994 4-probe GT V6. And if you're new to my videos, this is not my car. As you can hear, it sounds rather cool because it has no exhaust system. From the manifold all the way to the tail, the entire exhaust system is removed because it was all crappy and rotten. So this car was about to become a racer, but then the previous owner decided to put it on sale and all that. So as you can see, here's the interior, all that. It's currently getting fixed and it's gonna be all nice and stock. It's not gonna be riced out or neglected as these 4 probes usually are. But anyway, now I'm gonna head to the meeting and I'll see you there. That's freaking cool. Well, anyway, that's pretty much it. People are still coming, a lot of them are still coming because, you know, this meeting lasts until about, I don't know, 7 or 8 o'clock, I guess 8 o'clock, so there's plenty of time left. It's only about 5 o'clock. Got another nice muscle car over there, and another one. Nice sound, so a lot of people are still coming, but, you know, I got bored pretty quickly, so I decided to leave. So anyway, hope you like this video. If you do, why not thumbs up, check out my other videos, and subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.